Are you looking to develop dynamic, immersive ways to train your workforce and equip them with the skills needed to thrive in today's rapidly evolving business landscape? If so, Oodles Technologies has the virtual reality training solutions you need. Powered by cutting-edge technologies like real-time 3D rendering, advanced haptic feedback, and natural language processing, our VR training platforms deliver unparalleled realism and interactivity. By simulating real-world scenarios with pinpoint accuracy, we empower your employees to develop critical skills, from complex equipment operation to high-stakes emergency response, in a completely safe and controlled environment. From sales and customer service to workplace safety and technical maintenance, our comprehensive VR training solutions can be tailored to meet the unique needs of any industry or organization. By providing immersive, data-driven learning experiences, we help our clients maximize training effectiveness, reduce operational risks, and accelerate workforce development. Leveraging our proprietary cloud-based platform, Oodles Technologies' VR training solutions offer unmatched scalability, accessibility, and security. Whether you're looking to onboard new hires, upskill existing employees, or prepare your workforce for the future, our team of VR experts work closely with you to design impactful, measurable training programs that drive tangible business results. Oodles Technologies, redefining workforce development through the power of virtual reality.